Hey you guys! Welcome back to my channel. Samahan niyo po akong kumain. Let's eat guys. I have pusit, which is squid ba yan? I think squid. Yes. Squid guys. Inadubo ko lang siya. At nilagyan ko ng sili. And of course my rice. And my konting what is it? Lumpia. Yes, lumpia with sauce. I'm going to try to use this one. I don't know how it works out. I cooked the squid with just soy sauce. Sarap. Ang sarap. Grabe guys, ang sarap ng squid. I bought this in Asian market. It's kind of chewy.
Motion detected at the left rear carport.
Lumpia, this is beef. I made this also. Na-miss ko siya talaga. The only thing I don't like it is there is no ink. I was looking for the ink though, but couldn't find. Grabe guys, ang sarap niya. I just have to be careful because I have black paper right here. The whole black paper. Ang sarap niya. Ang lasa niya common. You know what? You know what, guys? I want to share something. I got this a skillet, right? And it's like a stone skillet or something. So I got this from Marshall. I bought it, and then I always use it. Every time I cook something from that skillet, it's really delicious. So I cook this I use the stone skillet. I think it's a stone skillet, something like that. It's a new thing now. And I cook a steak there too. And it come out delicious. You should try. I will I will link that. What I mean, I will show you guys next time. Like, I'm not joking. It's different. And it's not expensive though. It's just like I paid $24 for a big one. I was gonna buy the non-stick, but this one is new. So that's why I was like, you know what? And it says stone skillet. You know how you cook using like back then we used to cook outdoor when I was young in the Philippines. We used to cook we used to use how do you call that, like woods or coconut from coconut tree. And something this the smell, the aroma smell, that's something that add on your the flavor of your food, and it's really really good. And I find that's in that skillet. Look, I'm not joking. The other day I chose some steak then, and it's really good. This is the head. Mm. It's really hot today. It's like 70. So even though there is no ink, it's still worth it. Mm. I got this tea from Publix. It's blackberry sage. This is kind of strong smell. But it's really delicious. Publix only makes a good tea. That's why we have to go to Publix. Is like 30 minutes from my house, and bet we always go there because my son love their tea. Like the Publix brand. Look, there's nothing special. It's just a public brand. We go there, drive 30 minutes, and get their tea. And bread. And belly pork. Pork belly. I make this lumpia, put it in the freezer, and just cook them. It's better to cook frozen lumpia. So if you want to cook a good, like right here, that color, cook it frozen. And it won't it stay close. I supposed to take that out before I cook them, but forgot. It's okay. The black pepper. Mm. I want some more rice. Mm-mm-mm. Sarap talaga niya, guys. It's really delicious. Mm? Mm-mm-mm. When you put black pepper, the whole black pepper, it's hard to, you have to pick because if you eat that, you will mess up your teeth. But it's really good though. Compared to the ground. Good guys. Last lumpia. Yung lumpia ko maliliit. Kasi kinakat ko pa yan. Kasi gusto ko pag nagpiprito ako, yung maliit lang na skillet yung ginagamit ko. Para less oil. Kasi pag malaking skillet. Tsaka, ako walang gana kainin yun. Tingnan mo pa lang, busog ka na. Mm-mm. Wow. Cheers. May pagka-strong smell ang sage. Meron din silang lemongrass, and it's really delicious, and is they always out. Alright guys, tapos na akong kumain. Thank you guys for watching. Mabuhay po kayo. Bye!